Alright, what's going on? Oh man. Happy Thursday. Got a big old drip drop in the price action. Below previous day range. Things are looking a little bearish. Kind of like NQ to the downside the most, so we'll watch NQ to start the day. Maybe I'll throw up. I mean, ES could be good as well. How's RTY looking? RTY could be good as well. Alright, all three of them really are possible. So we'll just kind of watch and see which one gives us an opportunity. Oh, what am I gonna do? Oh yeah, I wanted to see what the numbers were. We had a bunch of news drop in the pre-market, which I mean kind of correlated to. I mean, not necessarily all this. At 8:30, we did drop, make new lows afterwards, but it was like GDP and unemployment and stuff. I think we have news at 10. Let's check. We do. Well, we have existing home sales and we have Michelle Bowman giving a speech. Let's see about that. Oh, Almost open on day. Basically, what I'm watching is like a break of pre-market low and then continuation to the downside if we get it. Otherwise, if we break back up into yesterday's range, RTY is way far from that. That wouldn't be good. I wouldn't want to take any trades unless we broke all the way up here and then went up, but that would be crazy. We'll see. And 1 minute market opens. Yeah, this is the longest minute ever. Okay, there we go. I have to wait for this 5-minute candle to close no matter what, so. Still nothing right out of the open. But if it's dropping, then we might have some opportunities. Okay, talk to me. NQ testing that pre-market low. Let's see what else happened. ES doing similarly. RTY is probably the weakest. No, it's the strongest. Okay. Two-minute close right at the pre-market low on NQ. Haven't yet really gotten any sort of clear break. NQ's doing the same thing, or excuse me, ES and NQ are doing the same thing. Looks like we're trying. ES, I believe, just made a new low. NQ just did the same. RTY hasn't tested the pre-market low yet, but it has just made a new low as well. Everything's kind of hanging around. Wonder if we get some sort of little relief. How hard it dumped. It is funny, this is my Discover Weekly. This is not really the type of music I listen to. Like, chill club. Five minutes about to close. It looks like we're gonna get a nice break below on the NQ. See if we can close near the low of the candle. If we push all the way back up here, then I'm not gonna really count it. I want it to close weak. Yeah, just like that. Alright. That's a good, nice close there. Any second. There it is. My chart appears to be a little delayed. That's alright. Alright, now we're just looking for an entry on NQ. Which at this point would be probably a retest pre-market low. And then take it to low a day, and then leave a runner. That would be the plan, if we could get it. There shouldn't be, if any, much. Take a look, let's take a look. If we're right or if we're wrong. Yeah, there shouldn't be much support till down here. Like 470, 480. We have this little consolidation piece over here. I'm not really counting that, I would count this area. So, there's some room on NQ to move to the downside. Down to like 480 would be the kind of the, well, we might reach it before we even find our way. Let's see. It'd be nice to get a smooth little move here. Keep this account going now. But it is dropping pretty much down to my zone without stopping here. Maybe we bounce off this zone and then get a, dear goodness. I just catch 40 points. An entry up here somewhere, take it down to like 500, leave a runner. 40 points is all it has. That's a juicer if we can pull it. That's a juicer. Oh man, how's RTY looking? It's kind of testing that pre-market low, so it's even getting weak. Everything's in agreement here. It is weak. How long is this song? Holy shit. I thought I was in a trance. Yes, it's really doing its thing.
I can see this party's pumping, but I still feel a lonely something. It feels like I'm the only one that's here.
Rimini crickets, dude.
Till I saw you standing there, you were playing with your hair. I wonder if your glance will ever meet mine. I'd love you to look at me, and if you just looked over here, you'd see I can't stop.
I hate seeing rich niggas complain. I hate this industry, man. With a 4 no toppings and a record loud topping from the west side posted posted.
I don't know if we're gonna be able to get a little entry yet. It looks like it's just doing its dropping. I don't know if I like this song. I don't think so. Sounds like some country. Holy shit, we are dumping. Yeah, there's nothing really I can do at this point. Everything's just dropping straight down. Just hanging out until we see something. If we see something, we're gonna take it. But at the moment, Holy moly.
Did I find out what I need? I can't break you once I find out how I bleed. Won't you take me out? And it was another dance that sent me to your apartment, and I'm not one to stop it. Afraid of how it ends before I know how it started. I can't see your heart. Crash on my way up, I fall down again. Count up the weeks till I see you again. We ain't friends.
It's muted. Basically, I was just saying it's a nice 15-minute close as well, so we'll see if we get up here.
Sleep in my bed. I plant the seed, now the seed got a stem. If we ain't friends, then what we supposed to be?
I'll try to take it down to here, which would be, geez, like 60 points. Maybe not quite, maybe down to here. 50.
But you only act like you want it, and you're at it. I saw it in the way you smile when I start trying. When I said I could shake you off me, I won't lie.
I might get an entry here. About 2 minutes about to close, huh? Nice. All right. Let's see if we get in. Oh man, I need to bring it down just a couple points. Somewhere in there. And then I would put a stop. But that doesn't feel right. I'm not there. Let's see, we'll let it determine if we're worthy here. These moves are so crazy that alright, we're in. Now we're gonna set our stop. I don't want to risk an insane amount. And that's like 20 points right there. Or stop somewhere up in here. Remember to do a buy stop, not a sell. And now I want to take this down to like down here. See if we can't get a nice move, like 50 points. So far it's looking really good with the little test of the EMA and the rejection. So far it's looking really nice. Hopefully we can get some we'll move down. looks like it might get stopped out here. Extremely close. Yeah, we got stopped out. All right. Interesting. See if we get the pre-market low retest. I still think a short here could be very valuable. Yeah, I still think we could get a nice short. I'll re-enter if the opportunity is there. I don't want to push it. Obviously, try to be patient and see. Everything's kind of bouncing now. If we get up there on this retest, I will try that. Doesn't have my overtime. Not bad. Okay. That was very interesting. If we get a weak close here, I will re-enter this. Very good. Alright. I'm gonna try this again. We are going to take this down here. We're shooting for a win here. We're not settling for some bullshit. We're going for a big boy. We get the move we expect. We want it to slap. Let's go for 50 points. So far, so good. I want to see some follow through on this 2 minute here. Keep going. Looking really good. If we could close below this level, I would really like that. We're looking for continuation on this trend. Come on. You know, I could take it in here for three hundo easy, but I'm looking for a return to the low. Give me that juicer. I'm gonna slide it up just a little. Oh, sure. Flush lower and give it to me. That'd be so nice. Just do it. Come on now.
Down below, dancing in our apartment. They say red wine should be poured slow.
Oh man, please do it for me. My God. Is this what it's gonna do to me? No way, right? Good 2-minute close there. I need this to not trees me. I would very much so appreciate a move down to my take profit, please. It's looking decent. I just wanted to get below that zone. If it holds that zone, I don't love that. It looks good, it's just not doing it for me. Come on, just give a little push down. Yes, 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 go, go, go. Come on. It's so close. Come on. Come on. It's so close. Yo. Get me there. Yes. Alright. Now we're just gonna let one run. We'll see if we can't get a nice move. Solid, man. Very, very solid. Very solid. Let's go, man. That's the loss. That's the win. Go on now. Come on now. Let's go. Alright. I want to let's pull up into Q. Let's find our next target, why don't we? I didn't know where price is, that would be nice. Unless it just stops me out. It doesn't give me any follow through. That. Oh no, 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 we're not targeting that. 400. Am I crazy? Am I on crazy pills? And I'll put it at 400. Why not? Just see. That'd be a huge move. But if we flush. Oh! Wait, I took a loss on that. That's dumb. But we're up on the day. Whatever. Damn, that spike was crazy. It caused some serious slippage. Caused over 10 points, like 14 points of slippage. Now it's only go back down, isn't it? Definitely don't want any orders sitting in the market. Alright, we're taking it. We had a loss, we had a weird little trade. It perfectly hit our TP and then did that, which would have stopped me out probably. Well, I guess not, but it's gonna drop now. It's gonna get hit 400. It just had to take my runner. I'm kind of upset that it gave me a loss on that. That's some bullshit, no lie. I want to see. Let's see something. I want to see. Very solid though. Solid day overall. That first stop out was a little unfortunate, but we re-entered and we got a win. Smaller day today, but we're still moving in the right direction. So got that trailing drawdown pretty good, almost maxed out. We have small profitcito. We'll take it. That's with a loss too. If we didn't have that early loss, that would have been a good day. Not that it's not a good day. Some real potential there. I want to see. Put this back on. Preferences. I need to find where I can specify. Can I do limit? Because my limit order, I'm just mostly wondering if I can make it so I don't get that type of slippage. Stop type. Limit distance. I don't know, maybe that's something I look into. Because that's whack. I lost like $30, which isn't a big deal, but it's like, that's kind of bullshit. That shouldn't be a loss because I had the stop loss in place. I would like to prevent that in the future, just keep more money, man. I want my wins to be bigger, my losses to be smaller. And that doesn't help when we get $30 of slippage on a single contract. Alright, I'm out of here. That was a super quick one. Basically, we were weak. Everything was weak. We got a retest of the EMA. I entered on this one and then was stopped out by this spike. But once we closed weak here, I re-entered. Same risk. Targeting this little wick down here. We hit that and reversed. I got kind of lucky, huh? I nailed the bottom pretty much on that. But we got a big move on that. If it wasn't for these two little... I mean, this loss was like 230. And then I had a $21 loss on a single contract there due to slippage. That was supposed to be break even there. My stop loss was below break even, but like I said, we got a big spike and it slipped and caused me to take an L on my runner, which is kind of whack, but not a huge deal. But it is just doesn't seem like that should happen. Especially on a demo. Like, I'm not even trading a live account. It's a demo. What are we doing? How do we have slippage on demo accounts? Come on. Anyways, yeah, a little loss there to start the day. I like the retest of that. I would have had a pretty wide stop to avoid this spike getting stopped out. So I didn't. I had about 20 points, maybe a little less than 20 points to stop. It hit. The reason I usually wouldn't want 20 points to stop, but today's a bit more volatile, so we have to kind of adjust to what price is doing. But on the flip side, on the beneficial side, then our take profit was a little bit bigger. And it just under like 50 points, 46 points, so had a bigger win as well. Made it back. It's doing some funky stuff. Maybe we get the rejection here off the 48 and the pre-market low. Maybe. But it's nothing that I would take at the moment. Maybe. Looks decent on the 15 minute as well. We got that nice weak close and then another weak close, and now this is actually looking strong. So not really what I would expect, but with such a fat drop, a longer pullback makes sense to me. Alrighty. Make a quick recap and I'm out. Anything else? No, I'll be back tomorrow. And hopefully we can close out this week strong. We're up over 500 on the week. Our weekly goal is 500. Doesn't mean I have to hit that, but if I'm hitting consistent 500 profit weeks per account, then we're moving in the right direction. So, yeah, a little over halfway to payout territory on these accounts. Just kind of got to keep doing what we're doing. All right, peace.